polishing. The polishing. You're doing the polishing ends. That was your mouse. The polishing. Do the polishing. Do the polishing, Envy. Good girl. Good girl. There's lovely polishing. That's lovely polishing. Make sure it's nice and clean. Make sure it's nice and clean. Is it lovely and shiny? You'll get that fridge nice and shiny. You'll get that fridge nice and shiny, Envy. Good girl. Good girl. You're going to choose a toy? Are you? Yes, to choose a toy. He's a good girl. Who's a good girl? Joshua. Joshua. Now what you gonna do? Now what you gonna do? Play with your mouse? It's all too much, isn't it? It's all too much for a lady.